in there. What are you doing? Harrison, you like the duck? Huh? You like the duck?
Yeah.
Don't go. No, 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 no. How do you like the duck?
Good.
You like it?
Just let me know.
You like the duck swimming?
Yeah.
Do you see anything else? You see the frog?
What else? And the swans.
Yeah?
And the weed. And
That's called algae. Oh, you see the blood? Yeah, the algae.
And what is that blue thing?
Plastic. Yeah. You like it?
Yeah.
Smile. Show me your monkey. Show me your monkey. You like your monkey?
Yeah.
His whole life, there are 68 horses. They all go up and down. They are all different. They're all made out of wood. They were hand carved and hand painted. We ask that you treat them gently. No food or drink is allowed on a ride. Most importantly is how you get on and off your horse. You sure you don't want the whole one? There you go. It's so much easier. You put your right foot on that step, swing your leg up to get on. When the ride comes to a stop again, use that step again to come back down. Now this carousel goes pretty fast, so you have to be 3 years old at least to ride on the 3 inside rows, 5 years old to ride along on the outside row. But if you have an adult standing next to you and helping you hold on, you can ride on any horse you'd like. If you'd like to ride double on a horse, use our middle 2 rows for riding 2 people. We need everybody in their place before we can start the ride. We give you lots of time to take your pictures afterwards. I do need a ticket from each one of you. I believe they're red today. Okay, it looks good. Let's go for a ride.
Harrison, how do you feel? Can you say hi? What are you doing? Huh? Yeah? You like it? You're gonna have fun, right?
Thank you.
How is that seat? Comfortable? Make sure you sit nicely, okay?
Is this the front or back? We don't know, right?
No, you make a line right here. Harrison, what are you doing? You're riding a train? Come and make a line here. You make a line right here, Harrison. You guys stay behind them.
Here, do you want to walk? You want to go on a zip line? There's a lot of rides.
You gonna have fun?
We'll have fun.
All right.
เล็กก็ลูกแม่สต่อแม่
Are you ready? Where are you going? Are you going to town?
Welcome to the Coast Down train. Please remain seated with your seatbelt
Okay,
fastened at all times.
smile. Goodbye.
Also, keep your head, arms,
Harrison,
hands, and
smile.
legs inside the train cars at all times. Enjoy your ride. Are you ready? Here we go.
Bye. I know, isn't it? Nice breeze. I think everything inside is reservation.
How do you get outside though?
The outside you just go around all the way, but I think you can register online. It takes about 15 minutes to get in.
Oh, I didn't register online. I thought you could just show up here.
Oh, you can register now on your phone, and then you can just yeah, and then you can go into within 15 minutes.
Your ride on the Coast Down train is
Wow, nice.
at the front of the train. Thank you for riding and enjoy the rest of your day at Coast Down.
Bye. You having fun?